Uh-oh. Welcome back, everyone. I am outside again. I am here at Mount Work, back at Hartland bike park. I am not in the normal parking lot. I am actually on the other side of the mountain. I am trying to hit a different trail. So this is where you go and park if you want to ride the trails farther away from the parking lot. I mean, you can always start from there. It's just a really long ride across and up the mountain, down again. So this is the trailhead behind me, which is the kind of just roadside where people park here. I am doing a solo ride. That trail I'm gonna hit, it's called Bubble Wrap. It's my first time riding that trail, so you don't know what to expect. So you gotta be ready, and you gotta think about your safety first. So, but at the same time, enjoy the trail, enjoy the ride. So here we go. Woo! I was looking at the trail, I felt like, because I watched it on video, and it doesn't look like it's a bubble wrap trail, so I looked on the map and this is a hiking trail. So I missed it. I gotta turn around. It's somewhere around that ridge up there, so I gotta circle back. It happens. Here we go. Hello.
How's it going?
Pretty good. How are you?
Good. Nice day, eh?
It is. It is.
Gotta enjoy these.
Exactly.
Take it easy.
All right. You too.
Thanks.
All right. If you ever go out hiking, biking, anywhere on the trails, you'll notice everyone's pretty friendly and happy and kind, and I think it's the outdoors. Climb it, climb it, climb it. Oh. I think I'm as high as I can go on this trail. We'll see if continuing on if there's some other good view of the mountain and the horizon. But it's pretty awesome here. Very quiet, all by myself. Weather's nice and cool. Clear sky. Oh, you gotta love this. Now that's a view. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Oh, man. Whew. Uh-oh. I'm okay. I was thinking of riding it, trying to take a look at it, and now had I slipped, I think that's my answer. I'll just walk it off. It happens. That was the end of bubble wrap. Here we go. Time to go home. I think that will be my adventure for today. It was probably 4 or 5 days in between the last time I used my mountain bike. I went up the mountain. I mean, I did stuff in between, you know, hiking, road biking and stuff. So that's why I figure today's ride should be a little bit epic, something challenging, because I got a little bit of a rest in between. So thanks for joining me. Hope to see you again next time. Subscribe so you can follow my adventures. See you later. Oh yeah. Like it.